viewers, this one machine is the boom loader. We also call it telehandles. This machine is the Hollet from the France. So we are going to start work on this machines, and its number is you can see on your screen is the HTL4017. The problem of this machine is a chain. You can see this double chain, and also his kinda there's a two chains. So this one chain one has a broken. So we are going to fix this chain, and we have to remove this telescope. Okay, we need to remove this. So this one is the back view of this machines. So first we remove from the back. So you can see his there are four chains. Two are here, and two are insides. Maybe you can see. So we remove from the back side this telescope. We are going to this because this chain is broken. This chain is broken. So this is joint. You can see this one is the joint here. We remove this nut bolt here, and after we will remove the telescope. Okay.
Broken attached to this telescope.
Okay.
What we have to do, we have to remove this telescope only. First, remove this hose, because these two twin hose attached to this telescope. So remove this one, remove this one, remove this two chain, remove this pin, and then we remove the telescope. Finish.
Okay.
Like this.
So as you heard, with these four pipes, these four pipes we need to remove, and inside pipe is already I to remove, and this pin. You can see this pin we need to remove, and after we will see. Okay. So here you can see the mechanic is going to remove this pin first. We remove this pin of which joint these two chains. Okay, we remove this pin and these four pipes, and these also two hoses are also insides. You can see within this pin. So I am going to hold the video here.
See this one?
We have removed these hose. These four hoses were removed. Okay, you can see insides. So one things you have to take care of. One things uh, for safety precautions, we have removed this hose, we put the plug. Okay, so don't forget, whenever you remove the hose, you must put the plug. Okay, because we will remove the telescope, and telescope would put the pressure on these pipes, and hydraulic inside the hose will come out, so we have to put plugs. So unfortunately we didn't have a plug on this side, so we put this close on it. Inside you can also see that we put also plugs here, here, here. So now we have a complete work from here, remove everything. So now we are going to remove the telescope from the front sides. So before removing the telescope, we are going to remove also this, you can say, this chain of the other telescope, front telescope. We also remove this one from here. Okay, so after removing this chain, then we remove the telescope. Now we also have to remove the upside telescope. These are nut bolts, because we also going to pad inside the pad. So when we remove this nut bolt, so there is the pad of the telescope. You maybe see inside this one, this telepad. So also need to remove this pad before removing the telescope. So we also clearly you can see. Ah, so pulling out, you can see the telescope is pulling out. Almost half telescope is pulled out. Again I am moving machine. So I am going to stop video here, because if during the operating I will continue this, this maybe is dangerous, huh? Okay. So here you can see we have pulled out the telescope, and viewers, you can see we have removed the telescope. These are two chains, big chains, and from big machine, this one is there. Here was chain has broken from this sides. Okay, so also there's a this bolt also have a cut. So we have ordered these bolts and this chain. When this new chain will come, if not new will come, then we will make a joint. Okay, but bolt will come new, then we will this after joining these chains, we fix back these chains. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channels and share this video to your friend. Okay, this is actually this one is a telescope. Okay, telescope, and these are the small toe chains, but these chains are good one. Okay,